Hey there, Sharks. I wanted to remind you today a great way to access free ebooks on your iPads, and that is to use Sora. It's wonderful, and everyone should be using it all the time. Basically, you're going to start in ClassLink, and when you're in ClassLink, there will already be some icons preloaded that you use all the time. Mine right now on this screen obviously look a little bit different than yours because I'm a teacher, but if you don't have the Sora icon already showing on your screen in ClassLink, then in the upper right-hand corner, there's a blue plus sign. It might be gray, but blue or gray plus sign. You're going to click that. And then next, you're going to choose the app library. So when you're in the app library, you're going to see other apps that you can go ahead and add to your ClassLink. Probably only a few of them will be showing though. So if you don't see Sora, then you'll need to click the blue button in the upper right-hand corner that says See All. Once you click that, there will be lots more options. And so you can scroll down alphabetically to the S's down to Sora. Don't tap on the actual Sora button. Instead, you're going to turn on your toggle button there to the on position, and that activates it in ClassLink. So then when you go back to your ClassLink home screen, you should have the Sora button showing there that you can go ahead and click. When you tap Sora, there is one more login that you need to do. It's going to ask you to sign into your school. When you drop down that menu, actually you don't need to choose the name of our school, it's our whole school district. So you're going to be looking for Appoquinimink School District. So just tap there and then you sign in, just tap the green button. So you have so far added Sora in ClassLink and you've tapped Sora to log in. Here's where the fun begins. Once you're in Sora, there are lots of ways to explore for books, ebooks, and audiobooks. In the at the top of the app is a search bar where you can search for books, authors, series, or even genres, like you could type graphic novels. Or if you want to, here in the Explore tab that we're already in, down at the bottom you see Explore. You can also scroll down, and sometimes the librarians in the state of Delaware have featured some new things there that you can just kind of scroll and look at as well. So again, from the Explore tab, there's all kinds of things you can find. But I wanted to just show you that's not all. In the upper right-hand corner of Sora, there are 3 horizontal lines, this blue button right here. When you click that, you can actually add yourself into a second collection of books. It defaults to this Delaware Accelerate Learning, but you're actually going to add a second library here. So you can click to add a library. And then when it asks you to find your library, you're going to type the name of our state, Delaware. Please check your spelling. What did New Jersey? No, what did Delaware? New Jersey? Terrible jokes. Anyway, so you're going to type Delaware. And then you might need to hide your keyboard here to be able to actually see the search options that pop up. What you're going to look to click on is this one here that says Delaware Libraries. That's actually the Delaware Public Libraries for the entire state. You click, this is my library. And once you've done that, now you are actually able to search for even more books. It's basically adding a whole nother collection in your Sora. So you've got 2 collections now, and you can toggle back and forth between them. I just want to point out a few more quick things now that you're in Sora and you can access books. You can actually adjust your settings to make it a little bit more specific for your reading needs. So if you click Preferences in the upper left-hand corner, there are some preferences like you can say, I only want books in a certain format, in a certain language, or for a certain audience. So let's take a peek at audience. There are some different reading levels. You might feel like juvenile is a great reading level for you. That kind of goes through like 6th or 7th grade, maybe even up to 8th grade. Young adult are books that are geared maybe more towards high school readers, older teenagers, but perhaps you feel like you're ready for some more challenging material. You can select whatever audience you feel is appropriate for you. And then once you've chosen whatever settings or preferences here that you want, you can choose Apply. And that way, when you search for books, it's only looking for books in those categories. Okay, so I changed my settings. I now have some different things than I would have had otherwise. So just again, to recap, now you're in Sora. You've added 2 different collections, 2 different options. You can explore, you can change your preferences. Maybe then you have found a book that you think looks really interesting. When you tap the cover of that book, it'll give you more information about it, a little summary of the plot, some information here on the left about its reading level, if that's interesting to you. but it's by clicking the blue borrow button that you're actually going to add that book onto your personal shelf in Sora. Once you click borrow, then from the Sora home screen, when you are on your home tab here, this is showing up in your personal collection. You have just checked out maybe the book separate is never equal. Finally, when you are within the book itself, there's a couple features to make reading a bit easier. You swipe your finger from right to left to turn the page. Down here at the bottom, you can skip to another chapter or section or go back if there's something you need to reread. If you tap on your page once, a little bookmark icon will appear and you can click it to kind of bookmark where you've left off. You also can change the font size and the viewing options to make it a little bit easier for you to see. And down here at the bottom, it reminds you that if you want to highlight something to refer to later, you tap and hold on a word, just like you would on your iPad to select in any other app, and then slide right or left to select the selection you want, and then that's permanently highlighted for you as a standout section. So hopefully that was a helpful preview of Sora. I hope you really enjoy reading ebooks. There's a lot there to explore. Happy reading!